Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello students, welcome to Uncle. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. First question for today. Old one from Iit Jam 2009. When subjective questions were also asked, but this was a good question. That's why I'm discussing. Electric field is given. You need to find the wave vector, omega, and then the instantaneous law and force. And now we know that actual expression is k dot r minus omega t type. No?
Yes,
This part corresponds to k dot r. It means k vector is of the form k root 3 pi I cap minus 100 pi j cap. So that when we take the dot product of this one with r vector, which we consider as xi plus yj, it gives us k dot r equal to this. Okay. So k turns out to be 200 pi. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Now how to get omega?
KC
B is
equal
equal to omega by k.
Omega is equal to kc type. No?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So it means it is 200 pi c. So that completes the first part. Now, in order to get the instantaneous Lorentz force, we need B vector as well, no? Because Lorentz force is given by Q
Yes, sir.
cross B, and we know E vector already. So first we need to get B vector from given E vector, and how we can do that?
So k cross E by C.
Very good. Do that. A cap cross E by C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So I need to know the velocity vector as well. So it is given to be v naught x cap at t equal to 0. Yes. So it will be please check everyone, because I cross I will give you 0, na? And only k cap components will be there, and both they will get subtracted.
So don't we have to put x and y to be 0 as the particles at the origin at this point, and t is also 0.
But this is the instantaneous Lorentz force, no?
Okay, sir.
इंस्टेंटेनियस मतलब टाइम 0 थोड़ी ना हुआ, आपका t तो आ ही रहा है ना एक्सप्रेशन में, ऐसे तो आप t भी 0 डालोगे.
सर वो तो स्टार्टिंग में है ना, t
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग टू हिम ना, कि वो तो एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे हो गया, उसके लिए आप बोल सकते हो.
Okay, sir. तो टाइम डिपेंडेंट
Yes,
चाहिए.
yes,
ठीक.
तो आपको अगर t 0 पे लिखना है, so then it will be like cos 0 0 0. ये हो जाएगा ना फिर तो.
Yes, sir.
cos 0 1 हो जाएगा, फिर आपका this will be the answer. But at any time this will be the expression, na?
Yes, sir. Anytime.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Again, E vector is given and you need to find D vector. Again, you can use that shortcut formula that we have used just now. Very good, Durga. Yes, Rita, Arun, very good. Please check everyone. Quite simple, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you need to check all the options in such circumstance because all are asking about different quantities: wavelength, magnetic field, pointing vector, polarization. If you are able to get k, then you can get lambda also, no? Because k is 2 pi by lambda, lambda is 2 pi by k. No, Rita, one of these is wrong. Very good, Durga. What is the direction of wave propagation, Rita?
Negative x.
Minus x-axis.
Yes, it is minus x. So electric field is along j. So it means magnetic field will be along minus k. No? So this option is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So now you need to check ACD. Now pointing vector is directed along positive. This is also wrong because pointing
Yes, sir.
in that direction
Also.
and we have concluded that it is propagating in minus x. Okay. So now omega is 10 to the power 8. So this gives me k equal to omega by c. That is 10 to the power 8 by 3 into 10 to the power 8. That is 1 by 3. So 2 pi by lambda is 1 by 3. That is lambda equal to 6 pi. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir. And D is also correct.
Yes, obviously because only one electric field is there now, so it is polarized clearly. Please check everyone.
Yes, sir.
No, Durga, it's not correct. Arun, perhaps yours is correct, I think. Yes, yours is correct, Arun. This is the formula. If we try to modify it, this is mu by epsilon 2 square root. This is impedance, eta. So I can obviously cancel out mu naught from all the terms. So it is, so square root of epsilon naught is clearly refractive index. So it becomes, so you can directly remember this formula. I have proved that both are equal, but you can
सर
remember.
मुझे तो सेकंड वाला ही याद था.
That's good then, if you remember. So if I multiply by 10,000 to each of these, can I write? That will be easy, na? Okay. And square root of 169 is 13 and that of 225 is 15. So 2 into 13. And that comes out to be, I think, 0.928.
Yes, sir.
Durga, check your answer now.
Yes, sir.
So यहाँ पे ईटा और रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दोनों सेम इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं ना? Okay.
Inverse होगा, eta is inversely proportional to epsilon.
हाँ सर.
That is the reason. And is directly proportional to square root of epsilon.
जी सर. समझ.
Yes, Durga. Yes, sir. Yes, Vita. Yes, Vakajal. So Vp into Vg, it comes out to be C square, na? So it means Vg is equal to C square Vp. So Vg is inversely proportional to Vp, na? So inversely proportional to the phase velocity. Please check.
Yes, sir.
सर डायरेक्ट एक्सप्रेशन को डिफरेंशिएट कर दो ना तो उससे तुरंत ही आ जाएगा.
हाँ, उससे डायरेक्ट से भी आ जाएगा.
यस सर.
यू आर राइट. वो ज्यादा इजी, आई डिडंट नोटिस अर्लियर.
यस सर 2-3 लाइंस में हो गया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल गुड. ये ऐसे कह रहे हैं, देखिए सी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू के, तो वहां से दो लाइंस में आ जाएगा. 2 ओमेगा डी ओमेगा बाय डी के 2 सी स्क्वायर के. So 2 cancel omega by k d omega by dk c square directly. Vp Vg c square. That's it.
Yes, sir. मैंने भी यही कहा था.
So this is a lot easier. Yes, Durga Rita, very good. C, k vector will be given by I cap 10 is for 7 is also I cap 2 j cap 3 k cap, na? This, na? Check this. Clear?
Yes, sir. No, Durga. What is the direction of propagation of the incident wave? Yes, Vaka. Yes, sir.
Plus z, not minus z. It is kz minus omega t already. So the reflected one should contain this term as the negative one, or there should be a plus sign in between. Okay, so obviously this is not the answer and this is not the answer. So it is out of B and C. Okay, so now wave is propagating along Z, electric field is along X. This is the direction of electric field, and it means the magnetic field, it is coming out in the Y direction because wave pointing vector, it is along Z. Am I right? For incident. And for reflected one, electric field is along same direction, so magnetic field should come out so that the wave, it propagates in negative Z like this. This can only happen when magnetic field is coming out, going in, sorry, because E cross B. See this. Okay, so magnetic field is along minus Y. C option is the answer. This says it should be along plus Y. Please check.
Can you please repeat?
This one is clear?
Yes, sir.
This one clear?
यहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रिक वेव जो है वो Z एक्सिस की तरफ जा रही है.
हाँ, तो point
Incident.
नहीं होगा.
Yes sir.
Electric field is given, and E cross B is S, na?
Yes sir.
So when you take the cross product of I with J, only then you get K. It means magnetic field.
Yes sir.
It means magnetic
Point
field
out.
in the Y direction. See, Y means coming out.
Yes sir.
So now, while getting reflected, electric field is along same direction, and the direction of wave propagation, it gets reversed. So now you need minus Z, na? So earlier you have taken the cross product I cross J. So now it should be I cross minus J, na?
Yes sir.
So that's it.
Okay. Okay.
And because wave is propagating in minus Z, so that's why this term is minus K1Z, because earlier it was positive.
Yes.
Yes sir.
This one. Let us see who is able to solve this one. Then I will again tell you some of the fundas to identify. No, Durga, it's wrong. Rita, very good. Yes, Durga, now it's correct. First of all, split this into components. One is X component. Other is Y component. So now at Z equal to 0, we have so phase difference is pi by 4. So clearly it is the case of elliptical polarization. So these two options got eliminated. Okay, because phi is pi by 4 or phi simply. Therefore, it is the case of elliptical polarization. Okay, now EY lags EX. This shows it is right-handed.
सर सर क्वेश्चन आर दैट 2015 है उसमें आंसर की में लेफ्ट हैंडेड था सर.
आंसर की में अभी
ये सर 2015 का है.
हाँ हाँ 15 का है. मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, अभी प्लॉट कर लेते हैं. बट अभी तो राइट हैंडेड ही आ रहा है हमारा. लेट मी चेक. शॉर्टकट से नहीं करते, आपका डाउट क्लियर करते हैं. चलिए एक्सिस बना लेता हूँ मैं, प्लॉट करके देखते हैं. एक्स वाई z. Okay, let us see now. So we are having the expressions for Ex and Ey. Let us try to plot to get the direction of the movement of the electric field. So अगर मैं t equal to 0 डालता हूँ और omega t equal to 0, okay, and Ex is 0, Ey is sine of E naught sine of minus pi by 4, E naught by root 2. So let us suppose the point is here. Okay, so only Ey is contributing. Ex is not giving you anything.
Yes sir.
So let us suppose when omega t becomes pi by 4 or anything like pi by 2 also. I'm taking it to be pi by 4 because it will be easier for us to plot, because only Ex component will be there. Na? Ey will become 0.
Yes sir.
Because we have to see the handedness only. So now it is positive and Ey is 0. Isn't it? So positive value obviously you will plot here. Okay. Please check.
Yes sir.
This na. So now it means it is moving along this side with the passage of time. Moving like this na.
हाँ सर.
Mean anti-clockwise. ऐसे जाएंगे तो it is anti-clockwise ना.
Yes sir.
So now what is the direction of wave propagation? It is plus Z. Keep the thumb of your right hand in that direction and see whether the fingers they curl in anti-clockwise direction or not. If yes,
Yes,
then it is right-handed. If no, then you can try it with your left hand. So clearly it is right-handed, na? You can check yourself.
Yes sir.
When you keep the thumb in the Z direction.
ये सर मैंने चेक किया था बट आंसर की में भी रॉन्ग हो सकता है क्या?
अब आपके सामने बेटा, अब इससे ज्यादा प्रूफ मैं क्या दूं आपको?
हाँ सर वो तो है.
So I have plotted it for you now. Okay. ये तो हो चुका है हमारा. Very good. Yes, Rita. Yes, Vakajal. Yes, Jashi. So both A and D are correct. So primary maxima, these are the diffraction maxima. First of all, you need to understand this thing. And then the secondary maxima, they are the interference maxima. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
First,
Yes, sir.
now we know the condition for interference and diffraction. Diffraction maxima, the width of the diffraction maxima, it depends upon the slit width.
Yes, sir.
Slit width in an inverse manner. No?
Yes, sir.
So can I write inversely proportional to slit width?
Yes, sir.
So it means if I reduce the slit width, that is given to be A, it will increase the width of the primary maxima. That is the separation between the consecutive primary maxima. So hence A option is correct. And now what about interference maxima?
तो A plus B sin theta हो जाएगा.
Yes, complete. ठीक है, तो उसमें A के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. Inversely proportional to slit separation.
Yes, sir.
That is A over here. No? So reducing A will increase, reducing B, sorry, separated by distance. So it will increase the separation between consecutive secondary maxima. That's it.
सर A plus B स्लिट के सेंटर से डिस्टेंस है.
A plus B नहीं, B लेंगे ना बेटा. A plus B क्यों लेंगे?
सर, A plus B तो स्लिट सेपरेशन होता है ना इंटरफेरेंस
हाँ
में?
सर, सेंटर से सेपरेशन होता है A plus B. B सिर्फ ओपेक का है ना?
B सिर्फ
ओपेक का सर.
A is less, very less than B. Na? Read this.
Yes sir.
So A plus B means it will be B only.
Yes, sir.
So that's why that will not have any difference. So this is important one. This concept is very important. And this can be asked in interview also. That can you observe interference and diffraction simultaneously? Yes, we do. Every time we carry out diffraction, interference is there. You might have done an experiment also on this, but I don't know because of COVID you have visited your college last year or not. This one. What is the formula for thickness? Done, na? This one clear?
तो एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट समझा दो.
NP
That's from 2 mu t cos r equal to n lambda. वहां से है ना?
हाँ,
What is something?
वहीं से आता है.
पर इसमें तो 2 आएगा नीचे, ये 4 कहां से आ गया?
ये सर मैं भी उसी से कर रही थी बट ये फोटो नहीं आ रहा. और थीटा तो पाई हो जाएगा.
एडिशनल फेज डिफरेंस को बोल रहे हो ना तुम लोग?
यस सर.
एडिशनल फेज डिफरेंस भी तो होता है ना, वो भी तो ऐड होता है. एक और भी तो ऐड होगा ना, लैम्डा बाय 2 का फैक्टर. लैम्डा बाय 2 नहीं, इस केस में लैम्डा ही हो जाएगा.
तो एक बार बता दीजिए.
मैं पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही मुझे सोचने दो ना, आपको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए इसमें. thin film में the formula was as you are saying 2 mu t cos r equal to 1 minute, let me think over it. क्या ऐड करेंगे आप? थिन फिल्म का नहीं तो मुझे एक मिनट मुझे लिखना ही पड़ेगा. थिन फिल्म में व्हाट डू वी हैव? ये एक फिल्म थी. What was the condition for maxima in this?
n plus half equal to lambda by lambda.
n plus
Half into lambda.
mu t cos r. एक में तो कंस्ट्रक्टिव के लिए मेरा n plus half lambda था.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
तो for minima it was n lambda only.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे होता है ना?
यस सर.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir. After adding the additional phase difference, यही था last formula.
हाँ, तो अब इसमें देखो ना, ये जैसे है आपका उल्टा हो जाता है ना. There are two systems, reflected and transmitted.
Yes, sir. ये तो reflective system के लिए.
तो अब एंटी, हाँ तो अब इसमें देखो क्वेश्चन कहाँ गया, एक मिनट. तो एंटी रिफ्लेक्शन फिल्म कोटिंग करनी है एक ग्लास प्लेट के ऊपर. अब एंटी रिफ्लेक्शन का मतलब समझ रहे हो, रिफ्लेक्ट ना हो.
Yes, sir.
तो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगी तो क्या होगी,
एडिशनल फ्लेयर नहीं आएगा.
ट्रांसमिट होगी ना.
ट्रांसमिटेड यस सर.
Okay. तो उल्टा हो
तो
जाएगा.
उल्टा हो जाएगा. तो अब
Okay.
आप ये यूज करेंगे फिर.
हाँ, अब ठीक, अब समझ आया.
तो इसमें डालेंगे तो n0 r0 हो गया. ओके, तो आ जाएगा ना p इक्वल टू लैम्डा बाय
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से.
Yes, sir. अब हो जाएगा. Thank you, sir.
क्लियर है.
Yes, sir. Clear.
नेक्स्ट वन. Separation, you need to find the separation between the two slits. The hint is it is based on the missing. Here something is missing, otherwise the pattern should have been like this. So minimize there. Here also it is minimized there. So that can help you in getting the answer. Yes, Rita Durga. Now your formula will come into play. That a plus b that you are talking about.
Yes sir.
Yes, Akash, very good. This is the formula. Which one is missing? Count.
Fifth order.
1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. No? So it is coinciding with which one? First one. First diffraction minima. It coincides with fifth interference maxima. Okay. Actually, the condition is like this. Na? ये interference maxima. And a sin theta equal to n lambda. It is for diffraction minima.
Minima.
That's why n is 1.
So how can we get a guess on which order is diffraction minima? Interference maxima समझ जाएगा, पर diffraction minima का order कैसे बताएगा?
ये मिडल पार्ट है आपका, मिडल में देयर इज ऑलवेज द मैक्सिमा. उसके बाद डेटा आया तो नहीं होगा ना.
Okay.
फर्स्ट भी आएगा ना, उसके बाद तो सेकंड तो डायरेक्ट इट कैन नॉट कम. इट इज जस्ट सिमिलर टू दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे ये कौन सा आया, फर्स्ट मिनिमम बोलेंगे ना.
First minima. और उसके बाद second minima, फिर उसके okay.
So now you can solve it. A plus b equal to 5a. So b is equal to 4a. So a plus b is equal to a plus 4a, that is 5a. How much? 3.5. No?
Yes sir.
Please check. Clear to all? This is also important type.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, Durga, Rita, very good. Diffraction pattern has the fourth order missing. Yes, Jash. Clear? I'm not going to solve it. I will only tell you the answer or the way.
सर सॉल्व हो जाएगा बट थोड़ा लेंथी है ना.
Lengthy. Actually, it is based on when you are observing only one color, it means maxima of one color, it is falling on the minima of other color.
Yes sir. सेकंड का मिनिमम.
Yes, sir.
So sin theta 1, it means lambda by a. And similarly for sin theta 2, because colors are different, so lambda is different. Na? A is same obviously. this is how you can get theta 1. And similarly, when you do it for sine theta 2, here it is for blue, it is for red, another one yellow, orange. That's how you can find the angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then theta 2 minus theta 1. And the final answer given with me is 0.478 degree. 2 digits, no? So it will be 0.48. Please check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one. Let us see how much you have understood now. Two slits of equal width. If the separation is doubled and the width is halved, then the new pattern will look like. Very good, Rita. Yes, Durga. We have already discussed this one. Yes, sir. So when you are reducing the slit width, then the width of the diffraction maxima will increase. Okay. So this is the width, na? This is how it is coming. So right now it is from -1 to 1. So it should increase. It should become double actually, because slit width
Yes,
is
sir.
half.
Half, है ना?
So double हो जाएगी. So now it is 2, na? -1 to 1, it is 2 units. So it should become 4 units. So it means this one is wrong, this one is wrong. So it may be this or this, because in both it is becoming 4. Okay. This one is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the separation is getting doubled. So if the separation is getting doubled, then interference, width of the interference fringes will become half. It means more number of fringes will be there in the space. So it means this is the answer, na? Because this is having same number of fringes, interference fringes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now let us discuss some of the questions, fresh questions from Iit Jam 2021. Similar to the question that we have discussed today. The first question. Yes, Durga, very good. C. One minute. C cancel होना था ना? तो z equal to 0 और t equal to 0 डाल दिया तो q naught e naught by 2 रह जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
T equal to 0, z equal to 0, therefore f is q e naught by 2 I cap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is very important to discuss the old questions. That was subjective one, and a similar question is there. Yes, Rita Durga, very good. So how much phase difference is generated by quarter wave play?
Lambda by 4.
Phase difference.
5 by 2.
5.
9.
5 by 2 होगा सर 5 by 2 होगा
Okay.
5 by 2.
Then what should be the angle between fast axis and quarter wave plate?
30 डिग्री होगा सर
That's
30
it.
degree.
सर बिकॉज़ 45 भाई में तो से सर्कुलर पोलर हो जाएगा
Yes,
90 180 में पोलर हो जाएगा
yes, very good. That is how we come to this conclusion.
Yes,
Because
sir.
this will lead to circular, and these two will lead to linear
Linearly polarized.
polarization. Only this will give rise to elliptical polarization. This was also a good question. This one. Now that shortcut is not going to work. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you need to make use of this equation. Yes, Durga. So take the curl of E. What is the curl that you are getting?
सर I cap plus yj cap और k को समझ लीजिए I cap plus yj cap minus z cap
This one. So now I need to integrate it. So if we integrate it, it will become so all the questions are easy, you can see.
Yes, sir.
सर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स में इंपोर्टेंट क्या है सर कौन सा टाइप का क्वेश्चन
I didn't get you. Please repeat.
सर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स में कौन सा वाला क्वेश्चन टॉपिक इंपोर्टेंट है न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स का
कौन सा वाला टॉपिक?
यस सर न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स में सारे तो इतना सब
उसमें तो mainly one is your radioactivity, and other is the properties of the nuclei and all.
यस सर ये ग्राफ भी याद रखना पड़ेगा सर बाइंडिंग एनर्जी का
Yes. नहीं पूरा ग्राफ नहीं, उसमें कुछ आइडिया आपको रहना चाहिए किसके लिए मैक्सिमम है.
ओके
And the rest is for even and all. वो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया तो आपको रहना चाहिए. There was one more. Let me. More questions were there from electricity magnetism. Now I'm not able to. Just wait. Yes, this one I was looking for. An RC circuit. This one. So only RC circuit is there. With switch S open, the capacitor is fully charged. It means it gets charged through this battery only. Okay, and what is the voltage during charging? V1 minus, this was the charging equation. Na?
Yes, sir.
So same will be followed by voltage also. So S is then closed. Na? So what could be the maximum voltage across capacitor?
20
20,
volts.
20 volt.
20 volt.
No. After closing the switch, I'm asking. That is the voltage when the switch was open. Na?
Yes, sir. 20 volt.
With switch. So then you have closed the switch at t equal to 0. So then it will further charge through this battery. So
Yes.
the max voltage can be 30 volt. Na? Okay. So it is approaching 30 volt and time given is 2.4 millisecond. And what is the time? RC time constant. What is R? So when it is getting charged through this battery, then responsible R is this one only, na? Not this one. Okay. Because this is already charged through this R and C combination. Now it is getting charged through this battery. After 20 to 30 jara, na? So only 6 kilo ohm will be relevant. So now you can solve it. How much? What is this quantity? Please tell. What is this value?
0.039.
0.
Total 1 minus result.
Okay, so 30 into 0.039. So it is
Yes.
961 it means. So how much? What do you get after multiplication?
1.17.
Volt. So voltage across capacitor. This is the answer. See, let us suppose this much circuit only. Let me tell you what is happening. Earlier, only this circuit is important for us because current is flowing through this one only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the polarity of the charge on the plates of the capacitor? This?
Yes, sir.
So now this capacitor you have attached across this battery. Sorry. So now this battery will charge this capacitor in opposite direction. Na? Means this charge
Yes,
will actually discharge it. Na?
Discharge.
So that's why, yes, that is the reason I have calculated the charge deposited on this capacitor by this battery. Okay. And earlier it was charged to 20 volt. So because this charge is of opposite nature, so that's why I have subtracted this one from the earlier voltage. This voltage from the earlier one. Okay, to get the answer. Clear? जितना पहले चार्ज था उसमें से अब वाला माइनस हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
So that is the remaining charge of the voltage. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, सर डिस्चार्ज तो वो 10 वोल्ट वाली बैटरी कर रहे हैं ना?
हाँ, तो कितना कर रही वो आपने निकाल तो लिया।
ये सर, ओके सर।
तो 10 के लिए आपने लिया ना, देखिए यू हैव टेकन दिस आर ओनली व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस, सी तो वो रहेगा, तो आपने इसी सर्किट से कराया ना वो, कि कितना होएगा 10, तो इसलिए ना वो इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, इट वाज इनिशियली इट वाज चार्ज टू 20 वोल्ट, तो 20 + 10 आपको करना पड़ेगा ना।
ये सर।
ये फाइनल वाला होता है कि कितने तक पहुंचेगा। आया तो आपका देखिए आप कितना है। क्लियर?
ये सर।
दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। सो आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज kinetic theory of thermodynamics ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow's topic will be kinetic theory. Okay students, bye bye, take care.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.